So there's this wild theory about how humans evolved that's been popular in psychedelic circles for a while, but it's never really made an impact in mainstream science until now. Now picture this, 2 million years ago our ancestors are roaming the Africa grasslands. It's warm, it's rainy, and there's grazing animals everywhere, which means there's dung everywhere, and growing in that dung are magic mushrooms, lots of them. In 1992, ethnobotanist Dennis McKenna proposed something radical. What if eating these psilocybin mushrooms actually helped trigger the mysterious tripling of human brain size? He called it the Stoned Ape theory, and scientists mostly laughed it off. But here's where it gets interesting. As reported in Double Blind magazine recently, McKenna's brother Dennis recently presented at a mushroom festival, and his message was that the science has caught up. What seemed like psychedelic fantasy in the 90s is now looking, according to him, more than likely. Two huge things have changed. First, we know that the brain is widely malleable, constantly rewiring itself, and psilocybin has proven to be one of the most powerful neuroplasticity-promoting compounds we've found, literally putting your brain into what researchers call a developmentally open mode. Second, epigenetics. We've discovered that environmental inputs can alter how genes express themselves, and these changes can pass down through generations. If mushrooms reliably induced adaptive brain changes, there's actually a mechanism for evolution to work with. Then there's the language connection. Dr. David Luke, who was interviewed in the Double Blind article, explains how psilocybin causes synesthesia, where your senses get crossed. You see sounds, taste colours, etc. This sensory overlap could have helped early humans connect sounds with visual concepts, building the foundation for language itself. The circumstantial evidence is mounting. Recent studies show psilocybin mushrooms evolved 65 million years ago. Paleoclimate data confirms North Africa was much wetter 2 million years ago, perfect mushroom territory, and a new study found that psychedelic responsive genes overlap significantly with genes shaped by recent human evolution. Now, Dennis is careful. He's not saying mushrooms alone made us human. Obviously, meat, fire, and social pressures all played their part. But as he puts it, what else could have had this kind of influence on rapid neural evolution? He's even dropped the name the Stoned Ape theory for the awakened ape theory, because at low doses, these mushrooms actually improve visual acuity and hand-eye coordination, so not exactly impairment. Now, if magic mushrooms did indeed catalyse the leap in human consciousness once before, what happens now that they're re-entering our culture? Could we be on the verge of another evolutionary step up? It's a wild thought, but maybe not as crazy as it sounds.